Welcome to the celebration of the ISPE Facility of the Year Award Banquet. It's going to be a good night, ladies and gentlemen. Said when he opened this is contribution to humanity, contribution to society. Listen, at the end of the day, we know why we're doing this. This is for the patients. This is for our mothers, our fathers, our nieces, nephews, the next door neighbors, people we don't even know who have conditions and they have ailments that the Janssen product is going to help them give a quality of life. Perhaps the CRISPR product someday is going to eradicate that disease, as we said. So at the end of the day, this award compared to that almost is meaningless. But you combine those things together, the team together, the legacy of the projects, and the contribution that we're making, and really what you have is you have patient impact.
Thank you for recognizing all this hard work that this community put together to deliver hopefully a drug that cures many people.
As everybody knew one or more relative or neighbors affected by the virus. The trust and support and thereby the empowerment of the local team by our senior leaders has also been a crucial factor for the project, all leading to the fact that this success is a true collective result.
The real success factor behind the design of the supply chain of Alofisel was the energy, the passion, and the commitment of the team behind this development. It's a diverse group of people coming from different backgrounds with different expertises, but all of them focus to put the patient in the very center of everything we do.
I want to thank the Takeda teams who worked on this project. You cannot execute something like this without a spirit of collaboration and partnership, which is what we tried to bring to the project.
And the unification of everybody, whether it was tradespeople out in the field, whether it was suppliers who were far flung around the world, whether it was employees at Catalan who might have just joined because we were hiring like crazy. People got behind this. Everybody got behind this. And it's amazing what the unification of purpose can do in terms of making something happen in the business world. We saw it firsthand in Catalan.
Dr. Paul Janssen, the namesake for our pharmaceutical company, often said, "There is so much more to be done. Patients are waiting."
And just listening to the passion from our CEO, who was very convinced that Iovance needs to be the leader in innovating, delivering, and developing TIL therapy for cancer patients, was the mission that we all went through.
Please join me in congratulating the 2022 Facility of the Year overall winner, who won for the category Pharma 4.0, Takeda Pharmaceuticals.
We are very honored to receive this award and to accept this award. I see it as a benefit for the pharma companies that we share our experience and also improve for the next projects we have. And this is all about the FOYA, and so therefore thanks a lot for the platform, and we are very honored.